What is going on, you awesome creatives? In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to turn your desktop from this into this. This is perfect for when you guys have got those presentations and want to hide all your desktop clutter from your professors and other students. I'm also going to be touching on how to organize your different files so that this kind of clutter does not happen in your desktop. Alright guys, so this is going to be the easiest thing that I've probably ever taught you. However, it is not applicable for those Windows users. I've included a link down below for those people that use Windows if you guys want to hide all your icons from your desktop. That being said, let's jump into the Mac people's side of things and kind of get you guys set up. So I am jumping into my application store and you're going to want to search for an application called Hidden Me. Right, fantastic application that I found recently, and you've got two different options here. We've got a pro version and a free version. Obviously you guys are probably going to want the free version. The only difference that I can tell between them is that the pro version allows you to hide all your desktop items on multiple screens or multiple displays, whereas the free version allows you to do it on just one. Alright, so obviously you're going to install that like normal, and once you've had it installed, you're going to open it up, and it is a super simple application. Now up in our window, we now have this kind of icon, and I'm going to go into this and hide all of this clutter that I've dumped here, ready for you guys to kind of see the magic behind this application. Alright, so all we're going to do is click that and go hide desktop items. Simple as that. All our icons are now taken care of for our presentation. So let's kind of go into my file structure and show you guys how I've in the last year kind of been organizing my different files in order to navigate to easily and efficiently. Alright, so I'm going to open up my Finder window here and let's go back into my Google Drive. You'll notice here it is still an absolute mess from a couple of years ago. I just haven't had a chance to clean it up. However, let's jump down into a couple, maybe last year's. Alright, and you'll notice here guys that everything is a lot more organized. Now the way I kind of organize my file structure is by having two letters at the start of each file name, depending on how I kind of want to organize it. You notice there that most of them have got an A or an AB. As you come down, you've got B and BA. Basically, I'm going to give priority to the things that I want. I also have it in this kind of column format so that I can kind of reference where I've got it, and I have a little bit of context as to what the file is about. Now, this AA kind of represents the thing that I want at the top, and this allows me to organize my Finder windows alphabetically, but in a way that I choose. If I jump into semester 2 here, I've got AA for semester, and then down in here, I've still kept this A convention. However, I've changed the second letter to an A and a B, and this is to kind of dictate which one I want first and which one I want second. Now, if we go into that, I've then kind of got my assessment, lecture notes, and weekly tasks. If I go back to contemporary though, you notice here that I've got all my AAA. They're all kind of grouping all my assessment items, and then the BA kind of groups there my weekly class notes. So it's very easy to dictate how you want your Finder windows organized, and I would highly recommend kind of starting this off the moment you start uni, because this is going to majorly help you kind of going through your university studies, especially when it comes to creating a portfolio. It is something I kind of wish I had started earlier, and makes life so much easier for when you're kind of navigating to what you need. Anyway guys, that's going to wrap us up for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this, don't forget to smash that like button, and until next time guys, have an awesome week, and I'll see you on the next video.